What's going on, everyone? How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. And in today's video, we're taking a look at the G.I. Joe classified Cobra Vypra. Let's get into it. Oh, right. The mail's here. Come on, Maggie. Let's go get the mail. Yo, he's gone. Let's party. Yo, Mikey, you want some pizza? Radical, dude. Hey, Kakarot. What's up, Vegeta? Today's the day I will finally defeat you.
Everyone, back to your places. He's coming.
Oh, right. I can't wait to open this.
DudeRetro Toy Reviews. And here's a Cobra Vypra out of the box, and this is everything that she comes with. Let's go ahead and move these accessories off to the side so we can get a closer look at this figure. Look at this detail though, like look at the paint for the makeup around the eyes. And then the sculpting, and you see the textured work right here on the arm guard. On the pants as well. This is actually really good. Pretty impressed with it. So let's go ahead and get into this articulation. So the head right here looks up a lot. Looks down that much. Side to side. And there is a neck joint. Then right here at the shoulder. Shoulder goes up about that much. It doesn't go up any further because of this shoulder pad. It kind of hinders some of the range of movement. And then right here, there is a butterfly joint. You can see it right there, but it does not move at all. It does not move. It refuses to move. And I have pushed and pushed on that to try and get it to budge, and it just won't. And I'm afraid to push even further because I don't want to break it. But yeah, so that butterfly joint does not work. The arm goes all the way around. Then right here at the bicep, there is a bicep swivel. There is a double elbow joint. Hey, what's up, dudes? I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's get back to this video. Cowabunga, dude! There is a swivel at the wrist, and this one here is on a horizontal hinge, where this one over here is on a vertical hinge. And right here at the waist, it crunches forward just a little bit, goes back that much. There is a swivel at the waist. Right here at the legs, there is a drop joint right here at the legs, so it allows the leg to drop down and kick up further. So the leg kicks up that much. The leg goes back that much. There is a double joint right there at the knee. There is a thigh cut, and right here at the foot goes up, goes down a lot. Really nice ankle pivot. So let's go ahead and take a look at these accessories. And first up, we have the skull mask that she wears, and this is sick looking. This is one of the reasons why I bought this, is just because when she puts this on, it looks so good. Like, look at that, man. Look at how cool that is. That's awesome. I love that. And for the rest of the accessories, she pretty much gets the same thing as Storm Shadow if you have that figure. So she gets this little quiver and sword sheath, and that attaches right here on the back. Just like so. You also get this cool sword right here. And you also get this really cool dagger, I guess. It's a smaller sword, so I guess it's still a sword. And these right here, they just go right on the back in the sheath. Just like that. And then she can also hold them as well. No problem at all holding these weapons. And right here you get a bow just like the one that Storm Shadow has, except this one's a different color. And then you also get this arrow. Now I have tried to get her to pull on this string and actually hold the pose just like what Storm Shadow can do, But because the butterfly joints don't work, so she can't pull off the pose where she's pulling the string back on the bow and arrow. So that really sucks that she can't do that. It almost feels kind of pointless to have this bow that she comes with. So that's a bummer. That really sucks. I really wish that they would do something with this to make this actually function. I don't know if it's just mine. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's a pretty big issue. Now that we've taken a look at all of the detail and the accessories and articulation, let's go ahead and get to the size comparison. Alright, let's go. Let's go ahead and bring out the measuring tape. And the Cobra Vypra stands just under 6 inches tall. And for the first size comparison, I wanted to bring in another figure from the G.I. Joe Classified series. And so here is the Storm Shadow. And he is just a little bit taller than the Cobra Vypra. And next I wanted to bring in a 7-inch scale figure. So here is the NECA movie Leonardo. Just so we have another ninja to put next to her. And last I want to bring in something smaller. So here is the SH Figure Arts Ultraman Jeed. So that's going to do it for my review of the G.I. Joe Classified Python Patrol Cobra Vypra. I actually really do like this figure. The paint, detail, and sculpt is really great on it, and the articulation is really amazing on it as well, except for the butterfly joint. I really don't like the butterfly joint, and then there's not much of an ab crunch in the figure. But the butterfly joint is by far the worst aspect of the figure because it really limits the articulation and almost kind of renders the bow pointless for her to even have. But other than that, the figure is pretty good. It looks great, especially once you do get it in a pose. It looks awesome. And I love the skull mask that she comes with as well. I think it's really cool and it looks awesome. So that's going to do it for my review. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm DudeRetro, and I'll see you next time.